rap, dude.
Bro, it's your turn to rap. What's up, man?
He'll just fucking rub his balls.
Next time I come up there, I'm gonna probably sleep in your dorm room. I'm gonna beat the f out of your roommate, take his bed, you know? Cause let's be honest. Let's be honest. I'm probably one of the most toughest motherfuckers you know. I f niggas up.
Alright guys, so today is going to be a lot of grinding, a lot of sanding, just getting the interior prepped for paint basically. There's a lot of stuff left over from the dry ice bangage. We got most of the sound deadening off, and now we're just going to be prepping it for paint, getting it perfectly smooth, feathering out all those rough edges. And yeah, a lot of bumping and grinding. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go out there and help out Joe Dyke, and we're gonna get fucking swifty on it. Safety first, kids. Dude, that's lit.
That's that tasty shit.
You want some fucking cancer or what?
That looks so fucking tasty.
Hey, I'm making brownies later. You wanna add a special ingredient?
You wanna add this dope ass brownie mix?
Oh, look at all this fucking trash that gets splashed up by the grinder.
Sick.
Alright, so here's what we got.
Here's what we got.
Here's what we got. Nice and clean.
Nice and
Bashed it off, the majority of it, with dry ice and a hammer. And then came on through here with a grinder and a copper wheel attachment, copper wheel brush. And then, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Next we'll be working on the, cutting that clutch pedal in half and installing that. Joey,
what's up, man?
what you got to say, boy?
Shout out to all my fans, all 2 of you guys. That's what's up. Sketchfest 2018.
One pair of pants later.
I've lost all the hair on my fucking...
Ouch, shit's hot. So the other the other piece is gonna have this lip on it. We're gonna have to grind down in order to fit the JDM brake pedal on.
Yeah, the JDM.
So JDM. Look at that.
That's the way the GPS took me. But
Damn.
I mean, it's only $2. But anyway, so I was going through the toll road, and there's a cab driver in front of me, some like African dude. Looked like he was not from here. He was like waving at me while I was sitting in my car waiting for him to hurry up. And I'm like, hey, what's up? Whatever, hurry up. And like, he's like, oh, can you help me? I was like, what? Just put the fucking money in. What the fuck?
That's dirty.
Put the fucking money.
Oh shit.
Dude, the fucking housewives are out and about right now because I was bashing on that fucking sound deadening.
What's up?
The fucking housewife gang is out and about right now because I was bashing on the fucking sound deadening all day today, dude.
Yeah.
I just seen like 5 of them. It's a flock.
They're like,
It's a
Those guys blaring ghetto music.
But yeah.
I don't want to go in there and dirty up there.
We're about to get
Alright,
it.
let's see if I fucking fuck something up. Just
Yep.
one thing.
And I got another piece of shit on my hand right now. Motherfuckers, they replaced, what's his name? Well, he's not actually, he's not really that bad, but.
Oh shit! Hey, kill it. I got your ass.
See that one coming, huh? Fuck you! You just got pranked!
You fucking bitch.
Yeah, he's 19. He was like literally a fucking idiot. Like I don't think you ever met the guy, huh?
Who is it? Yeah.
No, not that was on the list. We got a new.
Yeah, that fucking fat kid.
Yeah, he's kind of tall. He's kind of big and fat.
Yeah, he's not really big, but he's fat.
Yeah, he's fat.
See,
But yeah, he's a fucking idiot.
so big time. Yeah, snitch on him big time, dude. Fuck him.
I fucking hate you.
Balls.
I mean, what if someone came over here and they were like, I don't know, stealing or something, you know, and I didn't say anything.
Smelling like shit.
Or smelling like shit. Hey, bro, there's no Papa John's nearby. It's only Domino's that's nearby.
Bro, there's,
Oh, and there's Pizza Hut.
there has to be a Papa John somewhere. Oh,
It's
well.
way over here.
Ooh, all right. So what do you
You
want?
think they could deliver that far?
I don't know.
Well, Chula Vista to Bonita.
I'm sure the delivery fee would just be more.
Oh, really?
Probably.
Oh, look how fucking perfect that is.
Dude,
though.
hold on. I can't even focus. This camera's a piece of shit.
Look how fucking perfect, dude.
Yep. I can't tell.
You can't?
No. All right,
Look,
whatever.
it's like just over halfway. That's it. That's what you want.
All right, let's see what this shit is. Oh, they're fucking Jewel Pods. Or knockoff ones with the good flavors. Strawberry milk and watermelon. You know what I'm talking about. McLeod.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Bitch. And some jalapenos. Some jalapenos. Oh, no cookies or brownies today.
Let's call Valerie.
My phone number is going to be at 760 8 90.
They got your phone number, boy.
It's going to be Anthony
Hey, prank call this guy right here. Prank him.
McLeod. McLeod.
Why does he say it like that, bro?
I don't know. He's a toolie.
Can I do this for delivery? Address is. Oh, hit me with the whole.
She hits you with that fucking
With the
hole.
whole,
Hey, get
son.
this footwork, dude.
Yes.
We don't deliver there. The East Lake branch is the one that delivers there. Do you want their phone number?
See that one coming, huh? Fuck you. Sure. Let me. Okay, go ahead. What's the number?
Dumbass motherfucker.
It's
619
619
656
3000.
3000. Awesome. Thank you. You have an awesome day.
Bruno Mars.
Goodbye. Okay, yeah, let's do that. I'll do the 4 large. How many toppings? 2 toppings each, right? Oh, 1 on each. Oh, bummer.
Oh hell no.
We'll just pay the extra. Can I just do the 3 large with like a couple toppings? But we'll have to go pick it up.
It's right there.
Well, I'm sorry. Can I just change it to carry out? My bad, dude. Okay, so the 3 large. The first one's gonna have pepperoni, mushrooms, and sausage. Second one's gonna have pineapple, pepperoni, and onions. Correct. And the third one is going to have bacon, jalapenos, and what other toppings do you have? Like what other kind of meat toppings? Gay. Negative. Okay, that was like $35 for 3 pizzas. That's like $10 each, $12 each. Not too bad. For a pizza, a large pizza with 3 toppings, $12 each.
You should be in a Papa John's commercial.
I know, right? Call it Papa Anthony. Start my own company. Okay. Yeah, just transfer me 12, and then we'll get 3 large pizzas. I'm starving, bro. I had a Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwich for lunch, and that was it.
That's trash, dude.
And some Starbucks.
Come on down to
From the
Jimmy
shit.
Dean. Get yourself a ham and cheese sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Pickle and...
Or I take that back. Add a Lunchables too, from a vending machine.
My mom looks Filipino.
You're like a Philippine.
But
Dude,
not
I
like,
thought you were like Brazilian.
nah, man.
Yeah, I thought you were a fucking trash.
Half Mexican.
You look like you could
thought you were
capoeira
half
kick
trash.
someone right in the dick. What, is that what it's called? Capoeira? Brazilian?
That's the fucking fight.
You talking about capoeira?
Capoeira.
It's pretty lit.
Oh my fucking god.
Why is everyone turning today on these streets?
It's hard out here in these streets,
Dude, I'm about
guys.
to, where we got to, we about to go to Pizza Hut?
Yeah.
I'm going for
No, we're going to Papa John's, fool.
I'm going for Buc-ee's.
Papa John's?
Yeah. Make a right on H Street. E Street.
E Street.
East H Street, I mean, sorry.
Oh, right
fuck.
here. Well, you just schmanged us, dude.
Damn, dude. Where the fuck is Papa John's?
It's down this street.
How far down this street?
Fuck, that shit's like...
3.6 miles.
Oh,
God,
schmang, dude.
I thought you said you didn't know, or you didn't care.
7.2
Yeah, because
mile.
I thought we were talking about Pizza Hut. That's right there,
Dude,
dude.
7.2 mile round trip just to get schmanged.
Oh yeah, it's a whole 8-minute drive down that road.
And then 8 minutes back. That's the thing you don't
8 minutes
realize.
back.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
Get fucked. Yeah, we're gonna eat Papa John's.
You just schmanged us, dude. You ever sit there and get
Did you
trashed?
smash Homeboy's girlfriend? Homeboy's right there.
I told you not to fucking stare at that chick's ass earlier. Oh fuck, he caught me.
He's so mad, dude. Look at him raging.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Oh, he's fucking weird.
She's like, no, babe, I didn't. I swear, babe, I was just trying to go to Buc-ee's and get some cold foam, cold brew. Venti. That's what they were talking about, dude. Buc-ee's.
I can't believe we're going to
Most
fucking
interesting.
Papa
Yeah, we want a
YouTube
Papa
channel in the world.
John's. 40% off. Come on, you can't beat that, bro.
That's that fucking...
Yeah, so
That's that big bus
where'd you buy your
Chevrolet.
truck at?
Come out to Cumming Chevrolet, where we're coming on Chevrolets,
We'll
boys.
come in your wife.
And we will come everywhere. You think those are butter biscuits you're getting? Hell no. Them straight out the outhouse.
Bro, the content just died.
Super sick.